Morning guys, I'm headed to the post office actually. I know I do this more vlog style on my vlog channel, but I thought it might be fun to kind of do a more vlog style Dollar Tree haul. But I'm going to take you guys along with me on some quick little errands. It honestly might just be the post office, and then who knows, I might not even get the clip and all this will be literally irrelevant, but let's roll the dice, see what happens. I need to go to the post office because when I moved back to Texas, they were forwarding my mail just fine. I mean, y'all have seen how many times I've moved. It's like I know how to forward my address, and for whatever reason, from Florida to here, this post office stopped delivering stuff to me like after a month of me being in the Airbnb, and they're like, oh, we need to verify your identity. So I have no clue what that is. All I know is I'm supposed to go to the post office with this email they sent with a barcode and get all that done, because I can only get Amazon packages because Amazon will deliver straight to your door, but I can't get any post office mail. So anyways, so I gotta get that done, and then I'm gonna head off to Dollar Tree. We'll go in there, go shopping, maybe do a car haul, and I want to go get my car washed, so that could be like the other thing we do. So it could be a lengthy video. So if you kind of need that in your life, you need to maybe like save this video for later when you're ready, you need to get under the covers or something. I do that a lot. Like if I see someone I really like and they post it and I can see like how long the time is, I'm like, oh, I gotta get ready for this. I don't know, that's just like how I watch YouTube. But anyways, maybe this will be a long one, but let's go to the first stop, get my identity verified, and go to Dollar Tree. Okay, that was fun. Basically, there's nothing I can do because it's an Airbnb and I don't have like a lease for that because I don't have a lease on it. And so basically, I can't get my mail. I mean, I'm sure there's probably like something I could get for my Airbnb. Let me start the car. I know it's gonna... I'm sure there's some type of documentation they would have to accept, you know, for the Airbnb to show that I'm there. But when he went off the list, lease, mortgage, like, well, what else do I have with that address on it? It's such a weird place, you know, because it's like I'm only going to be there a month. I'm moving into the house September, and I'm gonna have to re-forward it anyway, so you know what, I'm just gonna let this roll. There's really not... You know what I could do? I could open up a P.O. box, which I need to do anyway for my Etsy shop. Okay, I know, no one cares about any of this, but anyways, Dollar Tree's right here. It's gonna make me feel so much better anyways. So let's go to Dollar Tree, let's go shopping. I do have some things I need to restock the Airbnb. So cleaning stuff, gloves, sponges, loofahs, hand soaps, all that stuff. Plus, of course, let's go see what they have for Halloween and fall. Okay, look at these. These are so cute, and that, you already know it's in the cart. Still very shocked by how much like back to school stuff is still on the shelf, but look how cute these are. Oh crap. I'm very impressed with like their little Pop-It collection. Look at the little ice cream. I love keeping these in my office drawer. Look at this one, a shark. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I was gonna go to another store because I went to this one and they didn't have any fall, any Halloween out at all. But I gotta finish out the rest of what I need to do. At this point, I'm just not gonna get the car washed because I didn't think that through. I have all these bags sitting here and they would have to, like, you know, clean the inside of the car. So we're gonna do a haul in the car when I get back to the house. We're back. We're in my garage of the Airbnb, and just because I know Loki's gonna be all over the place, I know you guys probably want to see him too, but we're just gonna do a car haul. I actually got a lot of stuff. I think I spent $117. I don't know if I'm gonna end up showing all of it, but let me just like grab a bag and just kind of see what happens. Because I did want to like save it for another haul day. I found these gorgeous metallic, like very shiny tissue papers. They're so pretty. Filler paper is actually what they're calling it. I love these. I think these will be really pretty. You can make so much stuff, not just like use them for gift wrapping. Like you could make banners and stuff, and of course you know what I'm gonna use it for. So also that would be really pretty for a care package, and like you wrap your gifts in like each little tissue paper kind of thing. Okay, I don't know if you watch my vlogs, but I've been playing a lot of solitaire lately. So deck of cards from Dollar Tree, and I've just been playing solitaire, and I thought, you know what, maybe it's time for some puzzles too. Like there's a cute little table in there that I could use and put my puzzles on. So I got this one, which is like 350 pieces with the cats. This is actually the entire puzzle here. I found these cute new stickers. They're just like chalkboard stickers made by Jot, and they have a really pretty like colorful outline. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but like that one's yellow and orange, and there's like some pink outline and like purple at the bottom. Yeah, so assuming you can take a chalk pen and write on it, that would be really cute. However, I have like large handwriting. I cannot write this small unless I do literally one letter, like an initial or something. So for me, this is extremely small, but you can always like do a label maker as well, if you feel that's the same thing. Like if you want to label like jars or things, or organize like a linen closet or media closet, like whatever. When was the last time I hauled gift bags? Because look at these gorgeous tie-dye bags. Never have I seen tie-dye bags like this at Dollar Tree. They have a like gold metallic detail to the front. You know, Dollar Tree never adds the same detail to the back. Maybe it's like how they cut cost. I'm assuming like this metallic, you know, is a little bit more money. But these bags are just absolutely stunning. And I love that it doesn't say anything on it. I do. No happy birthday, no party or celebration or something. Like those are great, those are cute. But when they do it like this and they do it blank, it can really be universal for so many things. So I absolutely love that. I found the little bumblebees again. They're like these little stickers. Like that part has a sticker applique on it, so you just like peel it off and it sticks, which is so cute, you know, for junk journaling. So I got those. In this bag right here, I got my receipt, and yeah, subtotal was $108.75 plus tax, $117. One of the things Micah asked me to get while I was out was hand soap, so I got the Dial, and I got the coconut water and mango. And that just seems like such a good combination. So I got those. I also picked up another one of these little key stickers. They're so pretty. I really want, like, I have so many junk journal themes in my head, so I'm buying for them, even though I haven't had like a chance to just like get to those things. But I really want to do like some type of cottagey core type journal, and I think these would be so cute for them. So as I'm seeing them, I'm picking them up. I also found this new item from LA Colors. This is an eyebrow pencil. It's an eyeliner and a brow pencil. So I thought that was really cool. Plus you get the sharpener as well. And for $1.25, I got in the color dark brown. I only saw dark brown and black. They had a ton of black, but hopefully there are lighter colors out there. You know, if you're blonde or like whatever. Okay, so then I also picked up this lip gloss by Ione. I might have already picked this up. This is in the cup. It says sheer fuchsia. Soft, non-sticky. I don't know. I gotta try this immediately. Sorry if you can like hear my car. Oh yeah, this is the actual color of the lip gloss. So the tube is clear, not red. I don't know, we're gonna try it. I don't know why, but I thought it was like clear. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, it's actually like really lovely. Oh yeah. So this box says that it's soft and non-sticky and that it's moisturizing and high shine. I agree with that statement. I don't feel the stickiness. It's like, oh, it's like butter. There's an interesting scent to it, but not horrible. Ooh, I did not expect that. I did not. I'm very excited about that. Okay, in this bag, another thing that Micah asked for were loofahs. So I got these 3. So got those. And then I had to get sponges. I had to get cleaning gloves, all that stuff for the house. And then you might have seen this clip. What is this? Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. This Boulder Clean brand. I've never seen it a day in my life. Like, I honestly rarely even walk into a Walmart or a Target. I always do like the Walmart grocery. So, you know, I have my items in a favorite list. So whenever new stuff comes out to the stores, I don't ever see them. So I don't know what's honestly going on in the world because of home delivery. But this is a disinfectant cleaner. So it's plant-based. I'm very excited to try this, to try that. I also picked up these little cutting boards. I want to do some type of fall DIY with these. So I got 3 so that I could like maybe make 3 different ones and give you guys options. So there's that. I also found these prank stickers. They were new. I've never seen them before. Here's what you get. I get it, like making someone think it's like a real plug, but like, okay. I don't know, they might be cute in a junk journal instead of like, I don't know. Maybe it's like someone's inside joke and that would be funny, but otherwise I'm like, all right, whatever. You know, so there's that. I have to show you guys what's inside this bag. I found these new little Tonka dupes toys, like $1.25. This is not a bonus item. Like, what? I am for sure gonna take these over to my brother's house and give them to my nephew. Like, look, there's space for him to put dirt and sand and other little toys, and it actually like has functionality, and that's important. It's not a big deal, you know, if you're going to Walmart and buying it. Like, these options, you know, better be available at Walmart prices because you want your toys to do something. But when you go shop at Dollar Tree and everything's $1.25, sometimes you just get the bare minimum. So when you get things like this for $1.25, that's why it's always a big deal in my opinion. Okay, then I also picked up the lip scrub in this purple. It's in lavender. Gentle exfoliating and nourishing repair. I'm not going to try this on camera, but I'm gonna add that to my bathroom. Then I found Hard Candy has this color correcting concealer, or just like a cream. So green corrects redness essentially, which I actually don't suffer from, thankfully. So I really don't need, I'd never buy the green stuff essentially. If I would buy anything, it might be the orange, and it was when I had really dark circles. And then who remembers when I did like the Burt's Bees under, and it like, whoa, that stuff was good. Okay, then I found these super adorable mini little gift bags. Of course, I looked at them and I thought, yes for a junk journal, because I see images. Like when I look at junk journal or stuff at Dollar Tree, I'm trying to think, how can I cut around that image and use it in a junk journal? And just, I love the vibrant primary colors of this and the secondary colors. There's even glitter on here. So this little cake one was so darling. Then we have like candles, and this one, honestly, I got it just for this guy right here. But I'll try to incorporate the other ones. I can create envelopes and pockets and all kinds of things with these in my junk journal. Plus, if you're not really into junk journaling but you like my advent calendars, these will work great too for covers to decorate your calendars, using like lunch bags. Then I also got it for this cake right here. The camera is not doing it justice because there's a lot of beautiful glitter, and then these two are just like the plain ones in the back. These two don't have any glitter, only the first one does. But yeah, so I will link some of my junk journals that I've done on YouTube. They were all lives, so no, they're long and chatty. But if you want to watch me, like, you know, do junk journaling, you're interested, I'll link some of my favorite junk journal ones down below for you. Okay. Other than that, I think I'm actually going to stop here because I'm going to use the rest of these 2 bags for tomorrow's haul. So for Friday, come back, I'll show you guys what's in these 2 bags. They're completely full. There's more like puzzles and stickers, and I just have to show this one book, but I found others in this collection. I'm so excited for this. And looking on the back, I am missing one. I'm missing Alice in Wonderland, but you got to come back and see what the other ones are. But oh my gosh, now I have to find Alice in Wonderland. And when I flipped through this, I really liked it because there's images. Obviously you can see it's just like black and white. But this I'm definitely going to put into a junk journal and even use the cover in the junk journal as well. So anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked going to the post office with me. That was like the only errand we ran. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.